Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 6233 State Route 21 overlooking Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular, totally updated ranch on 4 scenic acres. So let's take a tour. Step into everything new. This spacious foyer welcomes you with amazing views and opens to a covered porch and viewing deck overlooking Canandaigua Lake.
Enjoy those incredible lake views from this great room with an eat-in cook's kitchen with beautiful craft-made cabinetry and brand new appliances. Open to a spacious dining area and living area, all with hardwood floors and a wall of windows.
Wake up to impressive lake views in this beautiful master suite with a walk-in closet and a spa bathroom. This ranch home also features a separate bedroom wing with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom, plus a walkout lower level with room for expandability. This property has approximately $200,000 of updates with a thoughtfully designed addition and an outbuilding. This rare and private nature setting has 4 scenic acres with those million-dollar views of the east side of Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6233 State Route 21 overlooking Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!